Welcome to PageProof's fresh new features where we take you through some of the latest enhancements over the last month. We're excited to release a new proof setup screen which now makes setting up proofs faster, clearer and gives the proof owners more control. Our tips and tricks video that takes you through all the features of this new screen is linked down below. You can now add different file types into a collection folder at once, and if you'd like, you can also share the collection folder for other members in your team to see. Sharing an empty collection folder is also available via your dashboard. Our Slack and Microsoft Teams app have new notifications added. This means you can choose to turn off these emails under your profile and instead rely on the notifications to come through into those apps if you prefer. When viewing proofs, enjoy the ability to nudge the zoom, which bumps the zoom on proofs by 5% increments. Tip: use the Shift plus the up or down arrow as the shortcut key for this functionality. Ever wanted to check the alignment of artwork elements on a proof? Our new Grid Lines feature lets you do just this. Use the shortcut key G while viewing the proof to turn on grid lines. Proofing videos in iOS has been enhanced this month, making reviewing videos on the go a breeze. There's no need for an app to install to review proofs on your mobile devices, simply click the View Proof button in your email invitation. We hope you like these updates, and as always, if you have anything to ask us or any feedback you'd like to share, just send us a message via our in-app chat on your dashboard. PageProof, powering teams to strengthen your brand.